Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil exports from Venezuela doubled in December from a year earlier as the country raises production of revenue-generating hydrocarbons in defiance of U.S. sanctions. The U.S. dollar rose for a fifth straight day against the Japanese yen to hit a five-year high as investors anticipated the Omicron variant would not derail the global economy or delay the Federal Reserve's expected rate hikes. An anonymous cryptocurrency wallet holding 1,335 Bitcoin worth $61 million has transferred their funds onto Coinbase.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Spain's market services PMI will be released at 08:15 GMT. Germany's 10-year bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. ADP employment change at 13:15 GMT. Japan's 10-year bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT. The U.S. Market Services PMI at 14:45 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.